If you prototype often in Unity, you've probably found yourself creating the same folder structure over and over again. Wouldn't it be great if Unity could do this for you? Well, it can. We can automate this with a simple editor script so Unity creates all the folders instantly. We create a new script inside an editor folder. This tells Unity that it's a special script meant for the editor. First, we import Unity Editor to use editor features. Then, we make a static function and use MenuItem so it shows up in the Unity menu. Inside, we list the folders we want, check if they exist, and create them using AssetDatabase.CreateFolder. Let's test it. You will notice a Tools menu item has been added in the menu bar on the top. Click the Tools and the Setup button, and boom, all the folders appear instantly. No more wasting time manually setting up projects. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Unity tips and tricks.